Today we're going to do common logarithms, and the equation for common logarithms is log base of b of n equals x. So it sounds complicated, but it's really not once you get into it. Okay, so we're going to start with an example. We're going to do log base 3 of 9, and that's how you say it. You say log base 3 of 9. And you want to set this equal to x. Now how you set this up to solve is you're going to rewrite it in exponential form. So the base 3 is going to be raised to the power of x, and you're going to set that equal to 9. So you're trying to solve for x. Now, what exponential power of 3 equals 9? Well, 3 times 3 equals 9. So 3 to the second power equals 9. So x equals 2. So log of base 3 of 9 equals 2. And that's your answer. So we're going to do another example. Set it up the same way. So this example is going to be log base 2 of 64. So again, we're going to set this equal to x, and we're going to put it in exponential form. So we're going to take base 2 to x equals 64. Now this one's more tough if you don't know your exponential numbers, the simple numbers. So we're going to do first 2 times 2, and that equals 4. So then 4 times 2, that equals 8. And then 8 times 2, that equals 16. 16 times 2, that equals 32. And 32 times 2, then equals 64. So then once you get to your number, you're going to add up all the multiples of 2 that you just multiplied. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so 2 to the power of 6 equals 64. So that means x equals 64. So your log base 2 of 64 equals 6. So that's your answer. Okay, we're going to do one more example of this. And this example is going to be log base 2 of 8. This one's a little more simple than the last one. So we're going to set it equal to x like always. So equals x. Then like always, we're going to put it in exponential form. So the base 2 is going to be to the x power, and then since this is 8, it's going to be equal to 8. So now if you don't know this off the top of your head, you can always do times 2 again like we did the last one. So 2 times 2 is 4, so we know x isn't 2. And then we're going to do 4 times 2 is 8, and that's our number that we're trying to find. So then we're going to add up all the 2s, so we have 3 2's, and so x equals 3. Because 2 to the third power equals 8. So then log base 2 of 8 equals 3. And that's really how you do common logs. It's simple. That's all I have for today.